everyone, today I want to talk about the deadlift. That's a movement we always do in Atletica, and that's one of the most important strengthening exercises. There are different kind of deadlifts. I want to talk about the difference specifically between regular deadlift or just deadlift and Romanian or stiff leg deadlift, because sometimes that gets confusing. So let me show you. Regular deadlift from the front, you bend at the knees, you bring the weights down by bending your knees, and you come up. From the side, regular deadlift or deadlift. You bend your knees, you bring the weights down, your back is straight, you come up. That works your whole leg. Stiff leg or Romanian deadlift as well. In the same position. Now you're hinging on the hips. The weight are not to the side, in front of you. You bring them down toward your feet. You squeeze your glutes, your hamstring, and you come up from the side. Weights are in front of you. You mostly work the back of your thigh. Glutes and hamstrings. You come forward, you hinge on the hips, you squeeze your glutes and come up, okay? So what's the main difference? Regular deadlift, you bend the knees, you work your entire leg, your glute, of course your core, your lower back. You bring the weights down if you're starting with hand weights and you have them on your hands and you come up. If you do it with the bar, then you start with the bar in front of you. You start from the floor, lifting the bar up, and then you bring it back down. Romanian or stiff leg deadlift, you're primarily focusing your glute and hamstring, not the front of your thigh. You're hinging on the hips, your back has to be really straight, your abdominals really tight. If you have a bar or a dumbbell, still doesn't matter, it's in front of you. You're pushing your hips slightly back. You bring your chest forward. Now, depending on your flexibility, you can go a little bit lower or a little bit less. The important part is that you don't start rounding at any point. You squeeze through the hamstring and your glutes by pushing the heels hard on the floor. Abs are in, and you come up and you squeeze. So stiff leg or Romanian deadlifts are primarily glute and hamstring. The other deadlift, strengthening exercise, your full leg, abdominal, and lower back. So we work always both variations in our classes, and they are both extremely important for your lower body and your core. I hope this helps.